Today we are going to learn how to fix skin tones in Photoshop. Click on the adjustment layer icon and then choose selective color. As you can see, the skin is getting a little too yellowish. We will target the yellow areas by choosing yellows from the drop down menu of colors. So what do you want to do with the yellow areas? Simply decrease the yellows, right? So it's solved. Maybe you want to add a little bit of magenta to it. Maybe you want to add red, but there is no red slider. No worries, cyan is the opposite of red. So if you decrease cyan, you add red. So always remember, cyan, magenta, yellow is the opposite of red, green, blue. CMY, opposite of RGB. Maybe you also wanna target the reds and you want to make the reds a little darker by adding black to it. Amazing. Always make sure relative is checked and you're good to go. So easy. Here's the before, here's the after. Skin tone fixed.